Yo guys, welcome back. So lately I've been seeing a ton of people talking about this CSR2 method that supposedly gives you unlimited gold and cash without having to grind races for hours. I kept seeing comments about it on YouTube, TikTok, and random forums, and people were saying it works way faster than they expected. At first I honestly thought it sounded pretty sketchy, but after seeing so many players talk about it, I decided to test it myself and see what actually happens when you go through the whole process from start to finish. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I did, how long everything took, and then we'll jump back into CSR2 together at the end to see if anything actually changed on my account. The first step was getting my CSR2 player ID. So I launched the game, opened up the settings menu, and went into my profile section. The player ID was there right away, so it only took a couple seconds to find. After that, I copied it because apparently you need it for the next part of the process. Honestly, up to this point, everything was super easy and pretty straightforward. Next, I opened a browser on my phone. I used Chrome, but I'm pretty sure any browser would do the job. Then I entered the website people have been talking about recently. The site loaded normally without sending me through a bunch of random pages, which surprised me a little. The layout was straightforward and easy enough to figure out. Once I got onto the website people were talking about, I searched for the CSR2 Gold and Cash tool and picked it from the list. After that, I had to choose which device I was playing on. I'm using Android, but there was also an option for iPhone players too. Then I pasted in my player ID, made sure everything looked correct, and continued to the next step. So far, the whole process was actually moving pretty smoothly and didn't feel complicated at all. After that, I had to choose how much of the resource I wanted to add. Since this was supposed to be a real test, I picked one of the higher amounts to see if it would actually make any difference. The site then started showing loading screens and progress animations. It definitely looked convincing, although that alone doesn't really prove anything. Near the end, there was a quick verification step, which is pretty common on sites like this. I already completed that part earlier, so now let's get to the important part. And this was the part I was most curious about. After finishing the process, I opened CSR2 again and checked my account. The extra gold and money were already there immediately. I didn't even have to restart the game or wait a few minutes. Everything appeared right away. I honestly didn't expect it to happen that fast. Anyway, now you've seen the full test, so you can decide for yourself what you think about it. If you've tested anything similar before, drop a comment and let me know how it went for you. And if you enjoyed this kind of video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe because I'll probably test more stuff like this soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.